Hey guys, welcome to Propel Bootcamp Part 7. I want to congratulate all of you guys for getting through the first 6 parts and getting yourself to a place where you're ready to learn all about the IPAs. All about the IPAs, baby. That is the theme of this chapter. I'm going to keep it short and sweet and to the point because what you need to be doing is say to yourself, IPA all the day. IPA all day long. And what that means is that you are going to do income producing activities that center around that hub. And that hub has 3 propellers, if you remember from the very first day: education, empower, and enroll. And this is where you do things that literally make you dollar bills. I don't care if you're the yellowest person in the world and you love sharing. We know that a task that has the potential to earn income with the current commission period, that is an income producing activity. So that right now, if you're watching in June, that's for June. That ain't planning for July. That ain't planning for August. That is literally what is going to affect you this month right now. When we talk about educate, this is the most important page. It's page 88. I want you just to screenshot it with your phone, keep it on you all the time, and really think about that. Share a tidbit. Okay, teach monthly promos to my people. Attend and edify leaders and events. Okay, I can do that. Carry samples, exchange information. I can do all that educate stuff. Enroll at least 2 members a month, or aim for help 5 is how I like to teach it. Teach a class a week or teach a class every 2 weeks, whatever it is that's going to be true to you. Make sure you're always doing it. And empower. This means responding to all communication in 24 hours. This means checking on 0 PV members. This is doing your care calls. This is sending rank congratulation cards, or just sending, hey, how are you, happy mail. And guys, what happens is the fortune truly is in the follow through. So my just testimony to this is every single day I reach out to someone and they say stuff like, oh, are you still having classes? And I'm like, dang, I thought you knew I was having class. They all up on Facebook, and I emailed, and they're like, they didn't know. They needed me to follow through and love on them and put their needs above my needs, and also put my ego aside, because guys, when you follow through, what you're doing is you're actually, you ready for this? You're actually engaging in an act of continuing a plan, project, or the like. So with the end goal, a builder often remains consistent. When you follow up, there's no definitive end, and people often get discouraged. So make sure you're thinking about the follow through and not the follow up. So IPA checklist, if that is your jam, print that off, use it all the time, make sure that you understand what's going on, and then on your calendar, mark day 1, promote corporate things, decide your own things, right? Promote day 10, maybe reach out to new members from 3 months ago, but put on your calendar, contact about to go inactives on day 21, day 25 to day 27, month in hustle, and then there's a list for what you do for month in hustle. Guys, this is golden. I want you to follow through, not follow up, with these lists. Make a checklist for yourself with this. Make copies, and just know that you can make yourself your own IPA calendar using this, or you can do it on your own planner or calendar. And what I will tell you all is this chapter is shorter, but what's important about it is this is the most important part of the entire book. This is the meat of Propel. This is where you're putting your boots to the ground and you're saying, how am I going to make an impact in the world? How am I going to make a sustainable income? And how am I going to make a lasting legacy for not only my team and my family, but for generations to come? So guys, new member tips and follow up about welcoming new members. Always welcome them in your group. Welcome them in your uplines group that you add them to. Make sure you're contacting them 10 days from the kit purchase to walk them through. Make sure they receive their starter kit, following through with any issues. And then for their first 3 months on ER, because you get them on ER the first month, make it like it's something we all do. It's normal, everybody wants to do it, and they will be part of it. And then you're going to make sure that your members that aren't on ER, you're going to contact every single month, and then maybe go to every other month thereafter. In your welcome letter, that's what I want to focus on today. Your welcome letter to new members, and also your welcome or your follow through with people from a vendor event, people you met at, a class, whatever it is. The biggest part of it is your story. So you're going to share your story, and your story should have been something that you wrote in section 1 of this book. Then you're going to share 2 to 3 resources, but tell them why you like them. If you say the pocket reference guide, tell them why you like the pocket reference guide and maybe looking up an ailment and paired it with an oil. Tell them why you love Lucy Libido. Make sure you follow up with them and tell them that it would be great if they would read the 4-Year Career and how it's rocked or changed your business. So tell them resources, and then also talk to them about why all monthly promos, ER points and how to share and get their orders covered. That needs to be from the get-go. Make it like it's normal. Each one, reach one, sharing is carried, all that kind of stuff, guys, from the get-go. Tell them the best way to reach you. Give them the preferred method of contact. Is it a project broadcast number? Is it your phone number? Is it your email? Is it Facebook Messenger? Is it Instagram direct message? What is it? And make sure they know that, and thank them for choosing you as their enroller, because they could have chosen anyone else in the world, but they chose to spend their time with you. So guys, this is uber important for you and your business. So make sure right now that you take a few moments, craft a welcome letter. And if you have never shared a welcome letter or emailed anybody in your whole organization that you've enrolled for the past year, who cares? Do it now. The best time to start is now. And I want to encourage you that with these follow-through examples on the last 2 pages of this chapter, this is pages 95 and 96. Guys, if you need to copy her verbatim because you don't know what to say, this is how you can do it. Unprocessed ER orders. Here's a great project broadcast text. Hi, Ashley. It looks like you're on Essential Rewards, but your order didn't process this month. And that can happen for a variety of reasons. Are you aware it didn't go through? I never want to lose the percentage. I never want people to lose the percentage they've earned and drop back down to 10% and lose their ER points. So I thought I would check in. Let me know if I can help with anything. Money missers, short PV for promos. Short PV for promos is a report, Ethan, please be quiet, is a report you can run where people that are 20 to 30 PV, depending on their promo tier, send them a message. It just says, hey, Ashley, I was looking through the virtual office. Looks like you're right around the corner from getting that free thieves this month. I would love to hook you up. Are y'all following me? This stuff is, again, super duper important. These IPAs are things that are not only going to produce results in your business, but they're going to give you confidence, and they're going to give you the ability to truly shine where you're gifted in these IPs. You'll see which ones you're comfortable with. You'll see where you're pushing out of your comfort zone, and to help avoid analysis paralysis, this is where people will be typing below. Choose 3 IPAs to focus on the first week. Then add another, then add another. What does that mean your focus is this week? What is your IPA focus this week? Comment that below, drop it below. The next one, which IPA comes easily to you? Which you're like, that's my jam, man. I love project educating. I text people on my team. I love it. I follow up with them. It's great, or follow through. And I dread contacting missed ER orders. It makes me paralyzed. Write that down, whatever it is for you. And then here's a good one. Did part 7 of this book reveal some areas in your life and in your business where you're not focusing on IPAs, where they are time wasters, where you're focusing on scrolling, patrolling, whatever it is that you're doing? Maybe you're learning lots of new skills and not putting them into practice. Maybe you don't have the ability just yet to be uber focused and put IPAs first. But where have you been focusing on your time? That's not an IPA. So comment below with that. Guys, really looking today for some major engagement in here, because this is heavy content that's going to change and rock your business and rock your world. And I can't wait to read them and engage with you all. So excited that you're choosing to invest in yourself. Let's get out there and get after it and do as many income producing activities as we can. Not tomorrow, not next week, but today.